Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Rubal Solutions. Today, I was learning about copyright claim. So I wanted to give you a quick guideline about copyright claim. Copyright claim are also known as Content ID claim. Content ID is fully automated digital rights management tool on the YouTube platform that scans videos and notifies the right holder if their video clips, images or audios have been used without express permission. Regarding copyright Content ID claim, you should know the following. First, a claim will not adversely affect your YouTube channel. Second, the right holder can claim the revenue on your video if you have used their content. Third, the copyright holder can place ads on your video to generate that revenue. Fourth, the copyright holder can restrict your video in some countries or regions. Fifth, the copyright holder may also choose to take no action, but absolutely don't rely on that. Copyright claims are a part of copyright law. Sixth, copyright claims only apply to videos flagged and not the entire channel. Seventh, a claim can be proved false depending upon if you really own the content that is being claimed by someone else. I hope this quick 2 minutes video will help you to learn about copyright claim. And please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Rubal Solutions. Love. Have a nice day.